Alright folks, here comes Amtrak train number 11, code Starlight. Your southbound train to Los Angeles, here it comes now. Two P42 DCs on this. So P42 DC leading off of this train set. P42 number 7 again. Number 7 and 142 on there. Let's see if we can give it a horn show. I guess not. Alright, P42 number 7 and 142. This is Coast Starlight, train number 11, on its way to Los Angeles.
Starlight, train number 11. On track 1, approaching the station. Train number 11 to Coast Starlight, track 1.
Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break on the Coast Starlight departure. Alright folks, we are back. This is the Coast Starlight, train number 11, P42 DC number 7, and P42 number 142. Alright y'all, have a safe trip. Alright, there it goes folks, on its way to Los Angeles. I'm Marcel Hall, have a good one, boarded on track number 2. It's my train, it's the San Joaquin 712 Venture Car set. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.